Welcome to Stadium Garage. And what's in the workshop today? So here we've got a Mercedes Vito van. Unfortunately, they've put AdBlue in the fuel tank, so we've got the tank off, we're draining it out. It's needed 2 injectors already. Fingers crossed it doesn't need any more with this process that we're undergoing now. We've got a Mercedes here for a service. It's in for our silver services. It's had an MOT, it passed that okay. We've seen this Jaguar before, an ongoing problem with the AdBlue system. We've been inspecting the DPF with a camera there to check the condition of the DPF inside the exhaust as we're working our way through the process to work out what's wrong with it. And this Focus has got the 999 Eco Boom engine, as we call it. That's having a service. It's just had an MOT. This Mercedes is in for a service. A lady wanted it MOT in, but as part of the service we've realised it needs a tyre. It's got an airbag fault and washers didn't work, which we've sorted. The Volkswagen van, it's going back together now. This one's been on the channel before. The engine ran up, and what with annual holidays and me hurting my back, we are running behind on a couple of jobs. That's one of them, and the Jaguar. And here's a Peugeot in for a timing belt. So part way through the job there, the drills are a locating pin for the camshaft, and there's a locating pin in the crank as well. There's the new water pump just up to the left. Just a normal day here down at Stadium Garage. If you need any car repairs, give us a call. 01302 363 262. Thanks everybody.